Formal education in film and television producing gives you an opportunity not only to go through a conventional structure of knowledge and skills, but it also leads you to the most important aspect of producing, the entrepreneurship in you. It lays emphasis on why the new age, highly skilled producer needs to be recognized and acknowledged in our film industry. And it also emphasizes the need to view his activities as a solution to numerous problems that pop up from the conceptualization to the final execution of a film project. A trained film producer produces many positive consequences for the highly unpredictable and chaotic scenario that we work in. Heavily trained in the core areas of management and soft skills like crisis management, time management, production management, networking, negotiating and PR, they are equipped to look at an otherwise resource and turn it into an asset for others. They not only work on given jobs, they also create jobs, drive the workforce and take considerable risks based on a commitment to their mission and vision of a film project, which leads to creative excellence and commercial success of a film. The 3 pointers that one should keep in mind while working on a film project as a creative producer would be committed to turning promising story material into an irresistible script. That means finding the right director and other creative collaborators to transform that irresistible script into a great film. And in the second point, I would quote Professor Robin McPherson, defending the creative integrity of the film's authors while simultaneously ensuring they go far enough but not too far in meeting the expectations of the audiences and private financiers, distributors, broadcasters, all of whom need some form of cultural and commercial return on their investment. Third point would be positioning and marketing the film to maximize its impact and ideally, if not always, maximize its audiences. The best thing about the film producing course in Whistling Woods is the film producing course structure itself. Its design is a dynamic blend of demystification of the core concepts of filmmaking and application of the same in the practical projects. This approach not only creates academically rich students but also churns out highly functional professionals who are not just executors but transformers too. An aspiring film and media entertainment professional has all the reasons to opt for Whistling Woods to learn filmmaking, or for that matter other related courses, because it is one of the best film schools not only nationally but internationally as well. Recently featured as one of the 18 most influential institutes of India, Whistling Woods is also graded as one of the top 10 international film schools by Hollywood Reporter. The school has career-focused courses, reasonably good placements for students in the industry, highly qualified working professionals from the industry as faculty, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and above all, a well-rounded and a functional curriculum that gives students an opportunity to learn and to grow.